First, right-click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Sound Settings. Scroll down to the Input section and make sure the correct microphone device is selected. If you don't see your mic in the list, try unplugging it and plugging it back in, or add it again as a new device. Also, check that the microphone volume is turned up. Next, scroll down to the Advanced settings and click on Troubleshoot under Input Devices. This can help fix common microphone issues automatically. In the same section, click on More Sound Settings. A new window will open. Go to the Recording tab where you should see your microphone listed. Right-click on your microphone and select Set as Default Device. Then click on Properties and make sure the device is enabled. And that's it. These steps should help you fix microphone issues on your PC running Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.